Welcome! We are the Capables! And this is Casa Capable. But our dream home wasn't always a dream. It was a mess. Staying home was pretty unbearable. Our dining chair was our storage rack. And not a steady one. Our garbage bags were kitchen ornaments. Our ice cream boxes held everything but ice cream. Of course, we had that drawer. But I felt like my choices were to blame. But luckily, my loving wife and kids were willing to make it work.
I was definitely gonna divorce him. Things weren't working out. I was getting burned with every meal. But then, we found a solution. It was therapy. Retail therapy. At IKEA. With IKEA, cooking is a lot more enjoyable. And delectable. Plus, no first aid necessary.
Our old sofa was so uncomfortable. Our living room, but not anymore. Now, it's super comfortable. We can even change and wash the covers whenever we want to. Wait, where's Isabel?
Oh, it's you guys! This is my super nice room.
But it used to be a total mess. But I love my new wardrobe. It's customizable, so there's space for everything and anything. Nothing else to see here. Let's go get some ice cream. Here you go. Even our food storage is sustainable.
We are truly capable of living in our dream home. Thanks for visiting.